Hi guys, welcome to Vape and Juice TV. So you've got your vape device and it's come up saying check atomizer or no atomizer. I'll show you there on the screen. Some devices show a different message. What does it mean? It doesn't generally mean your vape's broken. What it means is the coil connection, which is a little bit of stem inside the tank that connects to the bottom of the tank, connects to the battery, is either loose, it's not tightened up, or very often there's liquid underneath it. Also, inside the coils, which are tiny little metal rings of Canthol, got a bit of compact in. If you remember the old style light bulbs you get in your house, when the light bulb blows, the little filament breaks. So imagine that same wire is inside a vape coil. When the coil breaks, there's no connection and it will say check atomizer. So if you have any problems on your vape that says check atomizer or no atomizer, generally what it means is the device is fine, but the coil needs changing. You do often get a little dud coil. If you bought it from Vape and Juice and you've just put it in for the first time, it's a dud coil, give us a shout, we'll swap it over for you. No questions asked. Check us out, vapeandjuice.com, or hit the subscribe link below for more useful advice.